I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts, dee-dee-dee-dee, there they are, standing in a row.
Hey guys, you wanna go scaring?
You miss? Oh, come on, you got it. Wow, that's a big girl. Good job, Stella. Boy. Дивись, який класний. Ух ти!
What the fuck?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. What's wrong? What was that? What was that? You excited? Come on, Butterball. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Butter. Come on. Oh, there we go. There we go, Butterball. Come on. Whoa, Butterball.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Esse aí sou eu. Dá pra notar que eu tenho que dar um jeito na minha vida.
Frankie?
What are you doing? Are you taking a pic of me because I'm so cute? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done.
I can't go outside. I'm working. No, I'm working. No, I can't go outside. I'm busy. I'm busy.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Come here, James. Wanna help? Up here. Okay. You ready? We're gonna crack some eggs. Look, right here. Okay, look. Okay, that's it, that's it. I'll bake them for you.